Imagine the kitchen without the limitations imposed by a hood. Our downdraft system has been quietly clearing the air since 1976. Designed to suit culinary ambitions with a choice of gas, induction, grill, or even a teppanyaki. Newly engineered with an innovative way of managing air, the downdraft enables the creation of an experience for the senses, drawing steam and odor down before they have a chance to offend. Searing, grilling, boiling and frying, each dealt with effortlessly. Without prompting, our new automatic mode selects the optimal power level to suit all styles of gastronomic preparation, leaving the chef free to focus on the culinary experience. Designed to both look and sound discreet, our revolutionary metal modular ducting stays hidden from view and expertly guides odor and steam through our innovative recirculating system. With a new regenerative filter design that eliminates the need for replacement filters for up to 10 years. Or with a more traditional approach that silently vents to the outside, or one that can be completely concealed in the unused space beneath the cabinets. These design innovations now permit the placement of drawers or even ovens below the countertop. Combined, these unseen engineering advances make this downdraft one of the quietest Gaggenau has ever developed. This array of cooktop and ventilation pairings allows the designer to give the chef a professional experience, along with a view. We create objects to be valued, admired, and most of all used. That's why we know materials matter. The quality of Gaggenau craftsmanship and materials is felt at the first touch. Expertly machined, our solid stainless steel knobs conceal an electronic control system that informs, ensuring lasting performance by reminding the chef when the filters require cleaning, with all removable components being dishwasher safe. By removing distraction to the senses of sight, sound, and smell, it focuses attention upon the uninterrupted views. The sound of conversation, beautiful design, the aroma of prepared cuisine, and most of all, the taste. The kitchen becomes a social space, the chef a host, and the designer a tasteful visionary. The difference is Gaggenau.